Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of credit card on the application of Amazon Shopping. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will write the name of the application Amazon Shopping and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.